Xiaomi, one of the leading smartphone manufacturers, has been making waves in the mobile industry with its recent innovations. And now, the company is set to make another big move with the upcoming launch of MIOS, its very own operating system, which have focused on simplifying the user experience and reducing clutter. MIOS is likely to take this a step further, offering a more streamlined and intuitive user interface. MIOS is still in the development phase, and there is no official release date yet. However, it is expected to be launched in the near future. Xiaomi has a large and dedicated user base, particularly in markets such as China and India, where the company is a leading smartphone manufacturer. MIOS is likely to be well received by these users, who are looking for a more customized and efficient user experience. MIOS represents a significant move by Xiaomi to reduce its reliance on third-party operating systems and create a more streamlined and efficient user experience. MIOS is expected to offer a range of new and innovative features, including improved privacy and security, AI-powered capabilities, and a more user-friendly interface. With its large and dedicated user base, Xiaomi is well positioned to succeed with MIOS. And it will be interesting to see how the new OS performs in the highly competitive smartphone market. So, stay tuned for more updates on MIOS, and be ready to experience a new level of smartphone operating system. Thanks for watching.